Let's paint our 6 ruffians, cruel men drawn to evil and chaos in the lands of the Shire. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. We'll use a couple of different skin tones for variety. Paint 3 with warrior skin, face, arms and hands. The other 3 get crusader skin. Use desolate brown for the tunics. Using Gravelord Grey for the trousers. Paint the boots, leg strap and cloth braces with grim black. Use dark wood for the club handles, leather belts and pouches. On some, I painted the pouches grey. This is optional for variation. For the beards, use grim black, or mix it up with dark wood and pallid bone for lighter tones. To differentiate the groups, paint the torso strap on 3 with slaughter red. And on the other 3 with Beowulf blue. Using pallid bone for the wool across the shoulders and back. Apply broadsword silver to the daggers, club spikes, dagger handles and belt buckles. Six ruffians finished and ready to bring trouble to the Shire.